I often tell people that money is a lagging indicator of your efforts. So what you do today, you're not gonna see the fruits of your labor today. You're gonna see it in the near future. For employees, people that work a 9 to 5, that lagging indicator tends to be 2 weeks, right? You work 2 weeks and then you get compensated. But as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you're the last one to get paid. You're the last one to get a paycheck. Your contractors, your employees, people that are rendering services to you, they get taken care of, and then you're left with whatever remains. However, I see a lot of entrepreneurs that measure their productivity and their worth and their value based off of the amount of money that they're making today. What I came to realize in my journey is that if I focused on the input, the actions, doing the right things, taking care of my customers, taking care of my team members, taking care of my staff, that eventually that lagging indicator of, making a lot of money would pay out. If you want to build something great, if you want to build something lasting, you need to be able to stomach a lagging indicator that sometimes may take years, and that's okay. But you can't measure your productivity based off of a paycheck, right? That's not how you should be measuring it, especially if you're an entrepreneur, because you don't necessarily know how much is going to be left over when it's all said and done. So my encouragement to you guys is, as you develop your entrepreneurial journey, or some of you guys are aspiring entrepreneurs, you need to change your mindset and understand that the lagging indicator of money is inevitable. It is just a part of business. And once you adapt your mindset, and once you change the way that you think about productivity and the way that you think about money, you begin to build things not for a paycheck, but because you want to be able to build something that sustains long-term, eventually providing cash flow, eventually providing money long-term. So if you're an employee today and you want to become a business owner in the future, that mindset needs to shift. And if you're an entrepreneur today, don't be disheartened, right? Eventually your time will come. Just keep putting in the hours, keep putting in the work, and the world is yours for the taking. That's a little money data set I've been thinking about. Wanted to share it with you guys. Have a great day.